Right, good afternoon. Tyler's driving right now.
How's it going?
Here's satellite. It is currently 12:30. We have an outflow boundary that is positioned over generally. Oh my gosh, stupid laptop's moving, but generally positioned from kind of east of Des Moines up northeastward and meeting with your cold front kind of in Minnesota here. There's a prefrontal trough as well, kind of located over central Iowa that moves northeastward where the winds are a little bit more southerly. We're expecting storms to continue to develop over Minnesota and move into a rapidly unstable environment over northeast Iowa and southwest Wisconsin. We're thinking more northeast Iowa now with the current data. Recent HRF signal has progged a rather high probability of tornadoes from 4 to 8 p.m. from northeast Iowa into southwest Wisconsin. UH signal is also really high. This is I believe a 3 or 4 hour product here, and you can see it's kind of centered over northeast Iowa. Looking at your CAPE values, you have very strong CAPE expected this afternoon. This is the mixed layer. We have 2,000 to 3,000 joules per kilogram here, 2,000 in orange, 3,000 in red. And then your 0 to 3 kilometer SRH is expected to be 200 to 300 plus, kind of over northeast Iowa again. So targets West Union, Iowa, which is generally in here. We'll see if we're going to have to move from there. But significant day on top. SBC issued a enhanced risk 10 sig 1 in place now over northeast Iowa into Wisconsin. As these storms develop, we hedge southeastward and get in position for the Parkersburg, Iowa tornado warning. Tornado warning.
All right, tornado warning supercell.
Look at the RFD surging out.
I know.
It's going to be right behind that power pole right there.
Tornado sirens going off behind us. My goodness, this thing's a monster. And we gotta get the car. Big time lightning bolts. Tornado sirens going off behind us. Look at the striation up there. Oh, look at the precipitation on the left there.
Yeah, we might need to go.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Traffic.
Holy cow. This is insane.
It's got a rotating funnel on it.
Like right there.
Well, that might be the funnel on the left.
Yeah. On the right too.
Yeah.
This whole thing needs to be watched.
Bring it back to the center.
Okay. I think they might be responding to the storm. Holy smokes. Wow.
Yeah, that's pretty insane.
I've never used my sunroof more on a chase day. Whoa. visible rotation right in front of us here. In the
Right at us.
yeah.
What am I doing here?
Holy smokes, look to the south. At this point here, the squall line begins to overtake us, and severe winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour were likely at our location. I got it.
We got to get out of it, man.
I know.
What's the option?
We have a south road that I was telling you about.
How far out, guys, what you said?
It's in a mile and a half. Whoa!
Good thing we're doing a collab video.
Look at these trees.
Yeah, it's a good wind for sure.
Yeah, I can feel the car getting moved around.
For sure. Mile and a half?
Yep.
Gotta be coming out now. Oh, there might be a tornado right there.
Really?
Yeah, look at the curtains.
I don't know.
Just film it, just in case.
I know. I don't think that's a tornado. It looks like just straight line wind.
Okay. Over the trees!
Oh! Woo. Wow.
Watch out, tree branch damage. Here we go. Yep.
Oh! Yeah, these are severe winds.
Yeah. Okay, now just do nav.
I know. Next road, next road. What? Why are we... Okay. That is ridiculous. That road up there, where the power lines are, it's coming up in a quarter of a mile. Those power lines, where that car turned. Up there.
That's a pretty dangerous maneuver.
Yeah, that is stupid, whatever that person did. Yeah, well, we gotta get south there.
Good on gas. Big time wind. Good thing we are going this direction. Wow, 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 wow.
Holy smokes.
Yep, yep.
Honestly, it's not that bad right here yet.
Well, it's coming, all right. Imagine this at night.
That'd be crazy.
Terrible.
That car does not know what to get into.
I also need you to watch when the road dog legs.
The road stays straight
The entire
for a
time.
long time.
We're almost out of it.
Yeah, we're getting close.
Nice trees. That guy screwed us.
Yeah. Whoa.
Yep.
We're good.
We're close. We're so close. Am I getting a big surge here?
After enduring the squall line, we then proceeded to move westward for another supercell that was intensifying. Here was our view. After that, we would end up going west toward Madrid, Iowa. And once we got to Madrid, Iowa, the one road option that went through town was closed. Because the storm didn't look good anymore, we decided to stop in town and let the storm overtake us, where we endured quarter-sized hail and occasional 40 to 50 mile-an-hour wind gusts. After that, our chase was over. A decently successful day, but no tornadoes like we thought could happen over the region, likely due to stable air and the storms forming earlier than expected. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll be back for the next one.